party people! How are you today? I'm Unikitty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you like arty videos, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Whimsical Week. But to do that, I'm going to hand you off to Olive.
Hello everybody, I'm Olive the Autumn Fairy, and I was created for a drawing challenge called Whimsical Week. Today, Unikitty will show you her thought process behind her illustrated design for today's prompt. And while she watercolors, you can listen to the next installment of the story.
Day 6 of Whimsical Week was the prompt, Your Favourite Mythical Creature. So, seeing as I'm using the same characters for every single drawing this week, I wanted to make Olive go home. So I gave the unicorn wings so they could go home together. But there is a great debate as to whether unicorns have wings or not, and some people say that unicorns have horns, Pegasus have wings, and alicorns have both. But I like to think that unicorns have wings because they're awesome and they can fly. So I gave her wings so she can go home with Olive. And it's my story so I can do whatever I want.
Luna's horn started to glow. It glowed brighter than I'd ever seen it glow before. Luna leaped into the air, and when she landed, she had sprouted wings. She gestured for me to climb onto her back, and we took to the sky. I was still unsure of which way was home, but Luna seemed to know the way. Soaring through the sky, the clouds whooshing past us, both of us having the best of times. I held onto her mane tightly as she started doing tricks in the air, like loop-de-loops. She must have done this before, it reassured me. The birds are flying past us in the opposite direction. They must be flying south for the winter, and we're flying north. We must be close to home now, I thought. I wish this would never end, I squealed gleefully. Then suddenly Luna came to a screeching halt. We must be home by now. Our jaws dropped at what we saw. We definitely weren't home.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked Olive's story, please like, comment and subscribe. If Whimsical Week seems interesting to you, please feel free to join. Or if you're just interested in checking out the other artists' amazing work, you can also do that on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the story and what you think will happen next. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video for the next installment of Olive's story. Have a creative day, everybody. Bye!